with 911R and Avant-Garde. We have this 1966 Mini Cooper S that is live now on Bring a Trailer. I want to do like a little walk around and talk about this car. What is really unique about this car, this was a US delivery Austin Cooper Mini, and very few of the S's came to the US as original US cars. They were mostly, sold in Europe and all over, and a lot of them were right-hand drive, where this one's left-hand drive, making a US car. But most of those cars were all brought to the US later because they were so popular. But an actual US delivery car is just extremely rare. This car retains its original engine and transmission. We have all the heritage certificate and paperwork to show that. It is fully restored. Every nut and bolt on the car has been done on it. Underside looks just as good as the top side. No rust, no issues or anything. Let's open up the hood here. You can see the engine bay looks exactly how it should. All the stampings, all the correct parts. It hasn't been modified. It's a 1275, like the Mini Cooper S's were, and it really runs out strong. The drive video was really fun on this one. This car has reproduction Minilite-style wheels with the Yokohama A-Van, autocross style tires on it, plus we have the original wheels and tires that come with it as well that are photographed in the auction. But again, going through this car, it is just absolutely beautifully restored. All the correct materials, all the little details on these things. I love the extra long light switches on the dash. Pretty neat little touch on these cars. Come around to the back, you have the dual saddle fuel tanks in it, the tool roll, beautiful Wilton wool carpentry and everything. But all the panels, all the screws, all the seals, just everything is exactly how one of these should be. Most of these cars I see are rusty and kind of beat up and tired. This is definitely the nicest Mini Cooper S I've seen. Being a 66, being a US delivery car, again, very rare, fun car to have. This is the right collector car for a Mini collector. If you're interested in the car, please use the contact seller button. If you're interested in having a 911R represent a car for you, you use the contact seller button as well. We're happy to help you get your car on Bring a Trailer and get a great result. Thank you very much and good luck.